Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best outdoor speaker systems in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Anker Soundcore 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Looking for the best Bluetooth outdoor speaker but are on even tighter budget? Check out the Anker Soundcore 2. Since the release of the Anker Soundcore 3, this speaker has become a great cheap option. This small portable stereo speaker is rated IPX7 for water resistance, so it's certified to be immersible in a meter of water for 30 minutes. It's small enough to fit in your hand or fit in your backpack, so you can easily bring it outside when you're out and about. Its long-lasting 15-hour battery life also makes it great for long listening sessions spent outdoors. It even supports voice assistance through your smartphone, though its performance isn't very impressive. It has a balanced mid-range out of the box, so vocals and lead instruments in your music sound present and clear in the mix, though higher-pitched vocals and instruments sound dull at times. Like most speakers its size, it struggles to reproduce low bass, and you can't feel the thump, punch, and rumble in bass-heavy music like EDM or hip-hop. Unfortunately, unlike the Anker Soundcore Flare 2 or the Anker Soundcore 3, it isn't compatible with the Soundcore companion app, and you can't customize its sound to your liking using a graphic EQ or presets. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3 Speaker. Looking for the best wireless outdoor speaker at a more affordable price? The Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3 is a small but mighty speaker that's very well built, making it great to use outdoors. It's rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, certifying it to be dust-tight and immersible in up to a meter of water for 30 minutes, so it's designed to withstand getting wet and dirty when you take it outside with you. Like the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3, it also floats in water, so you can float alongside your music next time you go to the pool. It has a long-lasting battery life of over 22 hours, so it's less likely to die in the middle of your jam, and you don't have to charge it as frequently. This 360-degree stereo speaker has amazing directivity, resulting in a wider and more spacious-sounding soundstage than the Sony SRS-XE300. Its default sound profile is fairly balanced, making it great for listening to different music genres. It has a balanced mid-range, so vocals and lead instruments sound clear and present in the mix. There's an outdoor mode that you can enable for a crisper and slightly louder sound when you're outside. However, like most small speakers its size, it doesn't get as loud as larger models like the Sony XE300, and it doesn't produce an extended low bass. Also, unlike the Sony speaker, there aren't sound customization features like a graphic EQ. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3 Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. The best outdoor speaker we've tested is the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3. This small, lightweight, portable speaker is well built and has a small built-in strap to help transport it, meaning you can bring your favorite music to the pool or your next hike or picnic. It's rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, meaning it's certified to be dust-tight and immersible in up to a meter of water for 30 minutes, and the manufacturer says that the speaker can float in water. It also has a long-lasting battery life of almost 18 hours, making it great for long days spent outside, though this varies depending on your usage and chosen volume level. This stereo speaker also has excellent directivity, resulting in a spacious and natural-sounding soundstage. It has a boomy sound profile, with a balanced mid-range that ensures vocals and lead instruments reproduce clearly and accurately in the mix. If you like having extra control over your music sound, there's a graphic EQ and presets in its companion app to tweak its sound to your liking. However, it still lacks a thumpy and rumbling low bass. If you're looking for a well-built portable speaker to take outdoors with you and can produce a more extended low bass, you might want to take a look at larger models like the more affordable Sony SRS-XE300 or the larger, pricier Sony SRS-XG300. However, they don't float in water like the MEGABOOM 3, and their sound stages don't sound as natural and open. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sonos Move battery-powered smart speaker. On the market for a smart speaker that you can use outdoors on your patio or by the pool? Check out the Sonos Move. While connected to a Wi-Fi network, it offers fantastic voice assistant support with Alexa and Google Assistant built in. You can activate your assistant with your voice, and it can easily hear you from far away and in noisy environments. If you're worried about privacy, you can even mute its mic when you no longer want it listening to you. There's a hollow part at the back of this battery-powered speaker that acts as a handle, meaning you can transport your music and podcasts with you from your bedroom to the beach. While it isn't as well built as the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3 and doesn't float in water, it's still rated IP56 for dust and water resistance, certifying it for protection against direct contact with water for up to 3 minutes and dust for around 2 to 8 hours. It means you can take it outside with you without worrying about it getting a bit wet. With its room correction feature turned on, it has a well-balanced sound profile suitable for listening to different audio content. While its room correction feature is currently only available with iOS devices, Android users can still tweak its sound using the bass and treble adjustments featured in its companion app. If you're looking for a similar smart speaker that's even more portable, look at the Sonos Roam. However, it doesn't get as loud as the Move and has shorter battery life. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Pohopa EF-B210G speakers. The Pohopa EF-B210G is a unique pair of speakers designed to look like lanterns, making them the best wireless outdoor speakers we've tested with an outdoor-oriented design. They come with LED lights underneath their hoods that pulse to the beat of your music and add ambience to your patio or backyard in the evening hours. Since they're designed for long-term outdoor use, they're rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, meaning they're certified for protection from dust for 2 to 8 hours and from small water splashes, so you don't have to worry about some light rain while outside. Although they don't get loud enough to fill larger crowded areas with sound, there isn't much compression present at max volume, so the quality of your audio doesn't degrade much when you max out the volume. Their batteries also last up to 60 hours off of a single charge, which is exceptionally longer than the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3. However, like other speakers we've tested with outdoor-oriented designs, their sound profile is more uneven. They lack low bass, and their boomy high bass muddies vocals and lead instruments, which isn't if you prefer neutral sound profiles. That said, this set of lantern speakers would still make a great addition to your patio or backyard if you're looking for outdoor speakers that don't stand out in your outdoor decor. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.